Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to use where condition in SQL select statement. I have a table named agents, so let's do a new query. Select star from agents. If I run this query, it will going to return me all the rows. So what if I need only 8th row with agent ID A008? If I need only this row, in this condition I need to use where condition. I will do here agent underscore code equal to A008. If I execute this statement, it will going to return me 8th row. Let's execute this. So I got only one row. I got only one row. So this way we can use where condition, and we can use where condition in delete statement as well in the same order. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.